If you love cooking, you already know a good zester can completely change your kitchen game. From fresh lemon zest to perfectly grated parmesan, today I'll show you the top 5 best lemon zesters and graters you can buy right now. Let's start with the most popular one used by chefs worldwide. Number 5. Microplane Classic Zester Grater. This is the gold standard of zesters. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades shave ingredients instead of tearing them, giving you fluffy zest and fine cheese every time. It's perfect for lemons, limes, parmesan, garlic, and even nutmeg. Extremely sharp, professional-grade quality, easy to clean. Slightly expensive, but worth it. Best for serious home cooks and chefs. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Etched Zester. OXO is known for comfort, and this one delivers. The soft, non-slip handle makes it very easy to control, especially if you cook often. The etched stainless steel blade stays sharp longer and works great for citrus and hard cheese. Comfortable grip, dishwasher safe, great for daily use. Perfect for beginners and home kitchens. Number 3. Deiss Pro Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater. This one is a fan favorite on Amazon, and for good reason. It's super sharp, lightweight, and comes with a protective cover. It grates lemon zest, garlic, chocolate, and cheese effortlessly. Razor-sharp blades, budget-friendly, protective cover included. Excellent value for money. Number 2. Cambum 3-piece Zester Set. If you want more versatility, this set is perfect. You get 3 different graters for different textures, fine, medium, and coarse. Great for cheese, vegetables, chocolate, and more. Multi-purpose set, dishwasher safe, great for families. Best option if you want more than one tool. Number 1. Blue Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater. This one stands out for durability and comfort. It features sharp stainless steel blades and a strong grip handle. Comes with a protective cover, making it safe to store. Strong and durable, easy to clean, affordable price. A great everyday kitchen tool. If you want professional quality, go with Microplane. If you want comfort and daily use, choose OXO. For best value, Deiss or Blue are excellent picks. All product links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which one you'd pick.